Hello everyone, I am Dr. Prateek Gupta and today I am going to tell you about Health and Care Visa for UK. Among the following types of visa, the Health and Care Visa comes under the category of Tier 2 visa. It is applicable for doctors and nurses. Your family members such as your spouse and your children under the age of 18 years can also apply for Tier 2 dependent visa. Now, the documents required for the Tier 2 visa are: Number 1, passport. Number 2 is your TB certificate. Number 3, police clearance certificate. Number 4, your OET and IELTS score. Number 5 is COS, that is the certificate of sponsorship. If you are a dependent, then you need to produce a marriage certificate and a birth certificate for your child. In addition to that, you need a TB certificate and a police clearance certificate. For Tier 2 visa, usually you do not require a bank statement, but for your dependent, you may need if the dependent maintenance is not ticked in your certificate of the sponsorship. OET is not required for the dependent. Now, let's discuss these points in details. Number 1 is the passport. You should have a valid passport which is not expiring within the next 6 months, and if it is expiring, then get it renewed. Number 2 is the TB certificate. You can get it from a recognized center. The list is given on the website, which is given on the description. This certificate is valid for 6 months. Number 3 is the police verification or the police clearance certificate. This can be obtained from a nearby police station or the regional passport office. It takes about 2 to 3 weeks time to get issued a PCC. It is also valid for 6 months. Now, the certificate of sponsorship, it is the most important document and it is issued by your trust. Once you have collected all your documents, you can apply your visa through the UKVI website. Now, how to apply on the UKVI website? On the UKVI website, you have to fill the questionnaire. The noteworthy point is that you have to fill your UK address in that. The UK address can be your NHS Trust address also, and the post office near that postcode will receive your BRP, that is your biometric residence permit, which you have to collect after you come to the UK, and you have to collect it in person. Secondly is the date of the visa. The date of visa which you mentioned will be valid for 1 month. So you have to mention that date according to your traveling plans. Once you have filled the form on the UKVI website, you have to pay a fees of £232. And after your application is done, the site will relocate you to the VFS website. On the VFS website, you have to upload all your documents and you have to take the appointment on the VFS. Then you have to go to your nearest VFS center for biometric. Once all this is done, you will get your visa within 2 to 3 weeks time. Either you can collect it by yourself or you can also apply for the postal service. Along with the visa, you will also get a letter. And once you reach the UK, then you will need that letter to collect your BRP from the post office. So that is all is required for the visa. If you have any other doubts regarding the visa, kindly put it in the comments section. Thank you.